Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of low-voltage wiring solutions, and I'm excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best low-voltage ring on the market, the TOMODER 25-pack low-voltage mounting bracket. This innovative product is designed for easy cable management, ensuring your home theater, network setup, or audio system looks neat and professional. So, let's take a closer look at why this mounting bracket is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their wiring projects. The TOMODER low-voltage mounting bracket comes in a convenient 25-pack, making it perfect for larger projects or for those who frequently tackle home upgrades. Each bracket is crafted from high-quality plastic and metal, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. What sets this product apart is its versatile design. These brackets are suitable for various low-voltage applications, including HDMI, coaxial, speaker cables, telephone lines, and network cables. Whether you're setting up a new home theater system or simply organizing cables around your workspace, these brackets provide a clean and effective solution. Now, let's talk about features. The TOMODER brackets are designed for easy installation, with adjustable mounting options that accommodate wall thicknesses ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. This flexibility means you can install them on drywall, wallboard, gypsum board, or even paneling without a hitch. One standout feature is the extended functions they offer. Not only can you use them for standard wall plates, but they also work seamlessly with wire brushes and switch covers, allowing for a flush installation of wall panels. The oval holes on the bracket facilitate the final adjustments, ensuring your cables are neatly aligned and properly positioned. Installing these brackets is a breeze. Simply mount them either horizontally or vertically, tighten the screws, and you're done. You'll have a tidy setup that keeps cables hidden and out of sight, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your space. Imagine walking into your living room, and instead of a mess of tangled cables behind your entertainment center, you see neatly organized wiring thanks to the TOMODER brackets. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer, these brackets are ideal for home offices, hotels, laboratories, and shops. They provide a comprehensive solution that keeps everything in its place, allowing you to focus on enjoying your media setup without the distraction of cluttered cables. Plus, they make it easy to add or change cables in the future without needing to tear apart your wall. With a 4.6-star rating and recognition as Amazon's choice, this product has received excellent feedback for its practicality and reliability. Users appreciate how easy they are to install and the significant difference they make in managing cables effectively. The design is not only functional but also visually appealing, contributing to a professional finish in any setup. What's more, TOMODER is committed to customer satisfaction. They stand behind their product with a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you have support if you need it. To wrap it up, the TOMODER 25-pack low-voltage mounting bracket is undoubtedly the best low-voltage ring available today. Its combination of ease of installation, versatility, and durability makes it an essential addition to your cable management toolkit. If you're looking to tidy up your wiring, look no further. You can find this fantastic product on Amazon, linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.